Yes, don't forget to ask. Hello, Absalon! Hi! Oh,
Nalagi sa rin ito.
remember me sa second channel. Hi! You're pretty. Thank you so much. If I am.
Hello, absolutely. Okay.
Ah, you're at work. You take care of your work, Ab. It's a little late here. It's 11:14 p.m. here. Yes. Okay, I will email you soon. Walking with GB size. Yeah, she must be very careful because the jeep is a little big. Not a little, but too big for her. Talk later. Okay, Ab. Take care, Ab.
Okay, take care. No, no.
That's Inday Takya. Salamat malam kaka. Salam kinal Teresa Maria. Ah.
You can subscribe also my YouTube channel.
Yes, Inday
Kami di
Takya.
nakapinti.
Hello, the long time. Thank you so much. We go to. Yeah, sure.
Nilo mo, wow.
Yes, sure. We go to. Hello, hello.
Oh, see?
See you in the morning. Please do more videos with Sheena. Actually, we have a new videos with Sheena. I just uploaded it just now. Let's check my videos today.
Subscribe also, please.
Hello, share yourselves. See more. Thank you so much, Delonta. How was school?
100.
School is great. We were having a preliminary exam earlier this morning.
Sudah.
Yes. Yay. Saludos to said Mexico. Hello, good afternoon. It's good evening here in Philippines. Yes, from Seoul to Seoul. Here you go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and goodbye. There you go. That's it. Just a quick check, everyone. And if you want to catch me, just let me know in email. You can also email me. Hello, Jeff. So the last stream, you were able to finish your group assignment. Yes, we did. We did. And after that, we were chatting and
Pwede na nakaipo?
talking. We were just chatting and then we were talking more about in future. What about your eyesight? Will you try to finish year at school without glasses? Love when you squinted. Yes, I think I have no choice since it's pretty little. Actually, I am afraid of wearing those glasses because I might be very independent without of them. So I think as long as I can still see things, so I'll try my best or hold the horses before wearing those things because once you're going to wear those things, you will be very independent.
Pwede ka na siya.
And,
Wala dito ka rin na?
ha?
Wala dito ka rin na?
Sheena?
Asa ito?
Ito, nisuot sa pinakataas niyo.
Katong kusog mo inampot.
Yes, Jeb. Yeah, we did pretty good. We finished the assignment before we make the video. After we finish the
I
assignment,
have
we
a
make the
video
video. It helps. If it's help, I wear glasses only when I drive right now. I'm not wearing any. Really, Jeff. I think I should. I already go to the doctor. I already went to the doctor, but then suddenly they did not approve to have glasses because as the moment they check the lenses, then it shows that there is nothing or
Ay, mabilang ka dyan.
I don't have a problem when it comes to my eyesight.
problema.
And then I told them about I have a very good vision. I cannot see clearly without lenses, and then they cannot recommend me lenses since there is no problem with my eyes. But then I try to explain those experiences that I have tried myself, especially when reading small words. I really can't see them. I have to squint them, and then I have to be
Nearsighted.
very
Far.
farsighted.
First
I feel better dealing with your only one. Yeah, something like I have to squint a little so I can read it properly. Arthur, please. Okay, and hello, hello. Okay, help me. I have ideas. What's your ideas? Delonta, let me know. That's good. What is your idea, Delonta? Please let me know. I miss you. Hello. Okay, wow. Oh, wow, I miss you. Yes, Delonta. What is your idea? Okay, and this other woman have YouTube. This one, yeah, she has. Hindi Takya. She has a YouTube channel. She has your own channel. You must visit on my mention section. They have mentioned my channel. You can see their channel. Show feet. Yeah, sure. For a 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it. She's a 50 check, and that's it.
Wa
Yes.
wa
Ha?
wa po tagamay ba?
Sipo agam mo ba?
Dok ni ano ano.
Yes. Inda Tatya has a, I think, her lenses is graded because sometimes she has a blur vision.
Ano na din?
Nice glasses. Yeah, she has a blur vision jet. Flags and feet, please. Hello, can you play foots together? No. In a custom, hello, taga saan kayo? Ganda naka-eyeglasses. We're from Cebu.
Subscribe na also.
Subscribe niyo si Inday Takya.
Ay, huwag diba wala.
She's Inday Takya. She's Inday Takya. Same spelling on my Inday, but her Takya is T apple T Y-A. This is driver, yes. No, she just drive motorcycle. Hi, good morning from Bacolod. Hello, Agustin Bangus. Taga Bacolod ka. Okay. Hello, Enzo. Hi there, girls. Is there a fan working here? I hear a noise. Yes, it's the fan working. How they doing, twins? Pag na na-electric ko no, kay noisy ko no, the fan is noise.
Iga kita.
We have no choice. I mean, we have to turn on the fan since it's very hot inside because we didn't have air conditioning at this moment. Nagpulit. Gusta na. Agustin, okay na. How doing, friends? Doing great. Hello, everyone. Lagi duka lagi ko. Very duka ako. That's my idea. What is your idea? Wait, I'll read it. I have not seen your idea yet, Talontar. What is your idea for me?
We like places.
Yeah, we did. We do that in a custom, by the way. Yes, how are you? Can you give a thumbs up?